Hi everyone, welcome again to SAP ST tutorials by T&D Learning. Today we are going to cover the billing type control for which T code is the VOFA part 3. Part 1 and part 2 already available in this series. For part 3 again we will cover all the other controls which has not been covered yet in part 1 and part 2, like how we can open the billing document type in VOFA, okay, and how we can go in the billing document type by menu path, that also we should be knowing. So if we want to go to the billing document type control, instead of using T code VOFA, we can use T code SPRO. Okay, so SPRO T code is there to enter in the IMG menu. Okay, so once you are entering SPRO T code, then you will see this kind of a screen. Okay, there you have to drop down in sales and distributions. In the sales and distributions, you will get the billing document section. You have to click on this arrow. That drop down will be having multiple options, out of which first option is the billing documents. So you have to again click on this drop down. Then first one is define billing document type. So to open this configuration, if you will click on this kind of watch, then automatically it will go to the same screen which is being shown in the VOFA, right? So you there it will be opening this control, okay, billing document type control. So in the part 1 and part 2 already we have discussed the some controls, like what are these fields, like number age in internal assignment, number item number increment, and ST document category. Okay, transaction group we have not covered. From here we have to start again in this video. Posting block also we have covered. So guys, let us start transaction group. From transaction group, so what is transaction group actually? It is again a kind of category of this document, but this is transaction group, it little bit different from SD document category. Okay, how it is different, we'll see that. See, already we have studied SD document category, where for billing we are maintaining M, right? That M is what? Invoice, which tells us that this is the document which has been created for invoice in sales and distributions, right? But if we are again categorizing transaction by the transaction group, and we are saying कि seven is save, if we are maintaining 7 in transaction group, it again tells the billing documents. Then question comes, what is difference between ST document category and transaction group, right? So actually purpose of this transaction group, we are maintaining 7 to control how this billing document will behave in FI posting, right? So it has another type of control which is related to much to the FI, means finance module, not in our sales and distribution module, but we should be knowing and we should maintain while creating this billing document type in VOFA. We have to make sure that this transaction group should be maintained with the 7. See, this is the if you will click here in the F4, there is the option F4. Once you will click there, you will see like this. There will be option F4 means help. Then you will get all the possibilities which can be entered here. So it is showing that 7 is the billing document. So it will be used in accounting purpose. Okay. For example, in VOFA, if we are creating invoice, then we should be having here 7, and if it is a pro forma invoice, then we have to take 8. I hope you know the pro forma invoice. If not, don't worry. We are having another session, another video in this series, and where what is invoice and what is the pro forma invoice, that is also being detailed. In general term, you can understand here कि invoice is a document for which accounting document has to be created, but for pro forma invoice accounting document is not required. You can say it's a kind of dummy invoice. Okay, so this is about transaction group. Again, one more checkbox is here, right? This is statistics. So what is use of this statistics? Actually, in SAP ST, statistics checkbox controls whether the billing document is relevant for reporting in sales information system or not. Right? If we are clicking here, then there are some standard in there in sales information system. There are some T code where the reports are visible in SAP that can be used here. Okay, so in VOFA that is being mainly used, that is means statistics is being used mainly for sales information system. Next field, important field in VOFA again is document type, right? Here document type for different billing, like for invoice this document type will be something different. Again for pro forma invoice it will be different, right? Then if you will see properly here, this is the billing document type, right? And where is the document type? This one. So this is also a kind of document type. This is also document type. Then again question comes, what is the difference? So again, because this is a billing document, right? And billing document is a place, you can say, or it is a interlinking point, you can say. It is interlinking point between ST and FI, right? Because ST ends here and FI starts in a term, you can say. See, this is, for example, this is a SD box. So from order to, okay, for order to billing, or you can say invoicing. There is difference in the billing and invoice, we will discuss later. This is, but here you have to understand that in ST from order to billing transactions are being created, right? But after billing, this has the amount which for which products or services are being sold has to be captured in GL account, right? And you know that GL account is a part of financial activity, right? So FI is coming. So if you are saying that after billing FI activity is starting, then there should be some linkage, right, between billing and FI. So these, because this is a linkage point. What is linkage point? I am saying billing. Billing is linkage point between sales and distribution and finance module. That's why you are seeing lot of other fields which is related to accounting in this billing type control. Like earlier we had seen this SD document, not this SD document category, this transaction group. This is related to a little bit accounting. And again we are studying the billing document type, which is of sales and distribution, but again this document type RV is coming. So this is again, this document type is not document type of billing, it's a document type of accounting, but because it is linkage point, that's why we have to mention here, so that billing gets connected to FI. I hope you have understood this point. Okay, now this RV billing document you are linking here, but RV document creation also needs to be done, like we are doing order document type, right? We are doing delivery document type, right? We are doing billing document type. That's why in the same way there are controls and other parameters for this accounting document type also, which you don't have to worry, that is being done by the FI module. Okay, just those document type you are linking here in your billings. That's why once billing is getting created, then accounting also gets created automatically if you want. If you have not clicked on the posting block, then automatically from billing accounting document will be created, because this billing document is giving the information to the system, giving the command to the system that this is the document type, accounting document type, which has to be created after this billing document. Okay, so this is usage of the document type. Now coming to other next field, which is, you can see here, cancel billing document. Okay, I am telling here the important fields only, which is to be known to SD consultant. Okay, now this is the cancel billing document type you have to maintain. Okay, now cancel billing document is not related to accounting, this is related to our sales and distribution only. So like F2 is created here. Okay, where? Here. See, this is all F2 billing type controls, right? In same way you have to create S1 billing document type also, but difference is that this is the cancellation billing document type. Okay, and in F2 if you will see, this ST document category in A is M, but in S1 if you will see, then this document category will be N. Okay, this is the difference point. Okay, one of the difference point you can see. Okay, so that is okay, you are we will learn that also, ki how it is cancel billing document type has to be created. Different billing types are there in different processes. Here I am detailing the F2, which is standard one. General, you can say, in generally in simple invoicing, this F2 billing is being to has to be created, right? So this cancel billing document type S1 is created, but because this is a cancel billing document, then definitely it is cancelling some billing. So which billing it is cancelling, that has to be assigned. For example, this is F2 billing. Okay, F2 document type billing. If this F2 document type will be cancelled, then this S1 cancellation billing document type, here it is showing ZS1 because I have used here ZS1 instead of S1, not using the standard one, just copying of copy of S1. That also we will learn in this video series. So it means ki once F2 here in this system, if F2 is getting cancelled due to any reason, maybe that billing has a wrong amount is billed by mistake, or due to customer wants to cancel the billing, then once billing is getting cancelled, then ZS1 cancellation document will be created automatically. Okay, once you will cancel the billing, then ZS1 will automatically get assigned. Why? Because this F2 is getting assigned here, this S1 is getting assigned here to F2 billing document type. Okay, so we were here, cancel billing document type we have to assign here. Okay, now coming to another field, important field, which is account determination GL account. Where it is? It is again, let us see here. This is the invoice, right? In this invoice, you can see what we were looking. We were looking the account determination, right? Give me a minute. I think I have taken. Okay, after this cancellation section, one below here there is field. There is field that is not captured here in a screenshot. I will show that. Don't worry. Okay, we will see that in detail. So actually, below this cancellation section, there is account determination also. Okay, in that account determination, you can assign this accounting determination GL account. Here, KOFI 00 is the account determination GL is being assigned. Again, this is a condition, means a technique, a SAP technique. Okay, we will study that also. That is another very important topic we will study. But this account determination technique is assigned in the billing document types. Why? If it is different, means different topic, then why we are discussing here? Because in this billing, this accounting determination procedure has been assigned. Actually, what it does, with the help of this account determination, system identifies key in one case, in one scenario, or you can say in one process, if billing is done, then it will be posted to GL1. Okay, and in other means for example, price is there, right? See, in the billing there are the prices, right? And after that maybe are discounts, right? There are taxes, right? So this price has to be has to go to 1 GL. If you are knowing a little bit about finance, and you will learn also in this series. So if you are not knowing, don't worry. So I'm saying ki if there is price, it has to go to the GL1. If discount is there, then for example it has to go to the GL2. When I'm saying GL1 or GL2, that is being decided by finance. Okay, but this is kind of how, for example, tax is there, right? So it has to be go to the GL3. Then you are saying here that price will go to GL1, discount will go to GL2, tax will go to GL3. But how system will come to know ki where it has to be posted? This system is knowing by this technique, right? Account determination technique. This is SAP's unique technique through which it will automatically know that this is the invoice, and in this invoice price will go to the GL1, discount will go to the GL2, and this tax will go to the GL3. Okay, so that's why I said ki this is a different topic which we will cover here in the video. But here, because we are working on billing type control, so in billing type this determination rule is to be assigned. Once the any billing document type is assigned with this account determination, then system comes to know ki if billing F2 will be created, right? Then with the help of this account determination rule, I have to post the amounts and all accounting related things in different GLs. So important fields already we have discussed. So if we are summarizing, if we have that, so we can say that billing document control T code is the VOFA, and menu path is that you have to, in the T code section, you have to enter the SPRO here. Once you will enter the SPRO, this display IMG screen will open. In screen, you have to click on the sales and distribution, then you have to click on the billing section, then billing documents, and then define billing document, then define billing types. So either you are going through T code or you are going through this IMG menu path. Both way you can open the billing document controls, and in different in billing document controls there are different important fields which you should know as functional consultant, SD functional consultant, that what is the code of billing type, what is description, and what is the numberage internal assignment, right? What is item number increment, what is ST document category, what is posting block, what is transaction group, right? What is document type here, what is the usage of it, already we have covered. If you will read it properly, if you will watch this video properly, you will definitely able to answer all the questions of interviewer, and it will help very much in your implementation or support projects wherever you are getting assigned once you will get job, or already you are working in a job, you are working in any company, then definitely it will help and it will boost your knowledge, right? So it will help like cancellation billing document, and another important is which here is screenshot I have not taken, we will show in the system later on in another video, that is account determination procedure. Okay, so these are the important fields. I hope you have understood billing type properly, and so thank you for watching billing type entire controls in this video, part 1, part 2 and part 3. If you are watching only this part 3, I request please watch part 1 and part 2 also, to have a proper control on billing document type. If still there is any doubt, feel free to put your questions in comment box. I'll try to reply all the questions there. Thank you very much.